Welcome back to the kitchen table. Today on the kitchen table is not the Mavic Pro 2 and not the Mavic 2 Zoom. It's the Mavic Air, which I love and probably is my most favourite drone that DJI have ever brought out at a consumer level. So why are they not on the kitchen table? Because what a disappointment it was. The worst kept secret in the world was the Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom, released by Argos a couple of weeks ago. Thanks Argos for the early heads up. Why is it a disappointment? Well, on the one hand, you've got the 2 Pro, which has got a Hasselblad camera. It's got a 1-inch sensor, 20 megapixel CMOS sensor, probably made by Sony, because they all are. It's got an adjustable aperture, f2.8 to f11, 10-bit D-Log, and HDR video. What a great camera, what a great move. And then what DJI have done is they've released the Mavic 2 Zoom, which has got all the features you want with the Hasselblad camera. So on the Zoom, you've got the 24 to 48mm optical zoom. You've got a 12 megapixel camera with a 1 and 2.3 inch CMOS sensor, so nothing special there. It's got a 48 megapixel super resolution photo, so it does a really wide picture. It takes loads of photographs and then puts them together, so you get a nice big long landscape, which, let's face it, you could do with this at half the price. And you have a feature called Dolly Zoom, which looks fantastic. So why, DJI, can you not do a Hasselblad camera and a Zoom? Why can that not be the thing? Also, big disappointment. I really expected, wanted and love to see a Phantom 5, but has the new Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom killed off the Phantom series? I do hope not. A nice interchangeable camera on the Phantom would be fantastic. But what is happening? DJI, come on. I mean, this company is now clearly being run by the accountants. What we're going to do is we're going to have a fantastic camera and we're going to put it on one drone, and then we're going to have all the features and put it on another drone. Why? This is about looking after the people that invest in your products, not just ultimately upsetting them so that they have to buy two to do the functions that the two do. We want the good camera, we want the functions. Why? Features on one, camera on other. We saw some pictures, there were some leaked pictures with the possibility that the Hasselblad camera became with a retractable gimbal, a handheld gimbal, similar to the GoPro Karma. That would have been so good. Why couldn't you reward us with that? Instead, we have to invest yet more money. So $3,000 you nearly have to invest in to get all the new features of the Mavic 2. No, not for me. Not for me. Really, the 2 Zoom is probably worse off than the Mavic Air. The camera, 2-year-old now on the original Mavic 1. Camera's no better on that, whereas the Hasselblad camera, big step forward. Possibly a step in front of the Phantom 4 Pro that we saw just over a year ago. But come on, what's going on? Kick the accountants out, get rid of the accountants. We want the research development, we want the team back giving us features we want and need. What are your comments? Just there, you can leave your comments. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Is this really such a big step forward, or is it just an excuse for DJI to get some more money out of our pockets? Leave your comments there. Don't forget, we'll see you on the 31st of August and the 1st and 2nd of September. You need to go to that video just there and find out what we're doing with the CAA on those days. Like I say, we'd love to read your comments just there. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you again soon on the kitchen table.